Alright, today in Packet Tracer, we're going to be routing between discontiguous networks, and we're going to observe the difference between RIP version 1 and version 2, and we're going to also configure them. So we'll start with our Uptown router here. Go to our CLI. Go to global configuration mode. And we're going to set our host name. Alright. And then we're going to set up our fast Ethernet interfaces. And we'll start with our interface 1 first, or 0, 0 I guess it would be. So we'll go and we'll go set up our IP address. Our subnet mask. Then we'll set up our interface 0, 0. Or 0, 1, sorry. And we'll set up our IP address and subnet mask again. Okay, and we'll configure RIP version 1. Router RIP. And we'll go version 1. Okay, that's set up. And then we'll also set up our networks that we want to advertise. So we will go network. Okay, that's advertised, and we'll go network. That's for our 0, 0 interface, and then we'll set the one for our 0, 1 interface. Alright, and then we're going to exit and save. Okay, and now we set up our version 1 for our Uptown router. And then we're going to go ahead and view the routing table. Okay, and see our directly connected networks, and got 2 subnets there. And then we'll go and show our IP RIP database. And you see that we have our 2 that are directly connected there, and those are CR2 IP addresses set up. Okay. Alright, so then we're going to ping our other PCs and verify connectivity. So we'll find PC3. And we will try to ping PC2. .68.2.30. And that went through. So then we're going to try to do our PC1. Let's try 2 first because it's already just right here. Or no, did we already do 2? Never mind. Find PC1 right here. Ping 192.168.2.62. And it's telling us it's unreachable. So we can reach our our PC2 from PC3, but we can't get out of our network, it seems like. So it seems like we're connected in our Uptown router anyways. So then we'll try PC5 and see if we can get through with that, and if not, we'll know why. Hoop. And that's also unreachable. So that leads us to conclude that we can't get out of our Uptown network there. So we're going to set up version 2 for our Uptown and Downtown networks, because we've already found out that if you don't run the same version on different routers or switches, then you're doomed. So we'll go to our Uptown router, and we'll go into global configuration mode. Right, we'll go into configuration mode and we'll go into router RIP. This allows us to set up our version 2. Okay, and now our version has changed. And we'll go to the Uptown, or the Downtown and the core and do the same thing. We'll start with the core because it's closest. And we'll go to enable global, and we'll go to our router RIP. Version 2. Ooh, but I didn't save it. Hold on. Let me exit. Might have to do that. Go back and do it again. I'll just do it for good measure. Okay. Okay, and we'll go do our downtown router as well. And I'll just run through it real quick. And then we'll go ahead and go back to our PC3, and we'll try to ping these again. We'll start with the first one that we did. And as you can see, we got through. So that just changing the version of your RIP protocol will actually work. So we'll go and try our ping our other one, which was PC5, I believe. And it also worked there. And that worked.